Dave's muffler. So today we're actually at my parents' house and we're gonna put the new Borla exhaust on my dad's 2012 Raptor. We have an off-road race coming up in 2 weeks, right after New Jersey. So getting this thing ready, he's been working on it a little bit, rebuilt the shocks, go over everything, but now it's time to put that on. So this version is the touring version. So it's a little bit quieter, which is good because my dad actually daily drives this thing. Daily driving a Raptor. He doesn't even care. So the Borla tuning, it has resonators, mufflers, everything else. So it's a little bit quieter, a little bit less droney or whatever, just so that you can drive it every day on the street. And honestly, when you're spending as much time as you spend in an off-road vehicle, it's probably a good idea. So let's get to it. What's first?
Okay, first thing, we're gonna crack the 13 on the 2 flange bolts, holding the resonator to the main pipe. And then we're going to separate the band clamp from the 3-inch exhaust pipe and start to pull the exhaust off the hangers.
I'm surprised you said 13 and not ½ inch. Everything's standard in this guy's life. You got a metric truck now?
Not anymore, it's all metric.
Oh, I already juiced it up a little bit too, huh? So we got the front portion off, but this guy, he's just being a pain right now. We're gonna see if we can separate it off. It's kind of moving, huh?
Maybe we should try and get it out. What do you think?
So we think the exhaust comes out this way. I don't know if I agree. That's what my dad says. We'll see right now, won't we? Yeah. Come on. Hey-oh.
Okay, now we'll jack it up here.
Jesus Christ, look at the size of those jack stands. That's what I was saying. Just gotta go forward.
Push it back to get it off the hanger.
Woohoo! Working on trucks is easy. Don't even need to put it up on a lift. So the time has come. We're gonna put in the resonator guy first. He replaces that thing. Much better looking piece here. Look at that. Your exhaust was crusty. It's about as crusty as you. Look at this thing. Beat. Freshy.
3-inch.
You have your anti-seize? Gotta have the anti-seize. I anti-seize all these joints. Smokes a little bit when you fire it up, but it's worth it. Honestly, that guy is the reason why I'm so obsessed with anti-seize. Literally everything that you ever plan on taking apart at all in your entire life, you put anti-seize on it. That guy's the reason. All right, ready?
Yep.
Look, slid right up in there. Look at all that axle clearance there. It's like higher than the frame rail.
And now, do you need to go a little bit further on your tailpipes?
Let me just get the tips and then we can see how far the setback is.
here?
Alright. Swing. Yeah. Probably want to twist it like this a little bit just before we tighten it.
Yeah.
So that we have a little bit of a gap right here because it's real close to the bed. Overall, pretty easy, pretty quick. I think we got like maybe an hour into this.
Yeah.
It's gonna take longer how to figure out what to do with this junk here. You gotta figure out how to fit it in your little trash can.
Little bits and pieces.
But yeah, overall, I think we're really happy with it. We gotta fire it up now. That's the truth right there.
All right, you ready?
Fire that thing up. hear it. Oh yeah. You're supposed to bounce it off the rev limiter like a drift car. Are you ready to go jump this thing? Let's do it. Woo-hoo-hoo. Oh yeah, much louder. So these loading docks over here are where I used to skate. When we started drifting and doing burnouts and everything, we would come here. So it's so yeah, these are the loading docks right here. Straight grew up here. Jumping off this, skateboarding all day, every day.
So I'm letting Matt drive. Hopefully he doesn't break my truck.
This thing sounds good.
Yeah, when you wind it up, it sounds really good, right?
This is the first time we have the Raptor out on dirt. We're on the track, we're pre-running. My dad's driving, we're loving it. As you can tell, it's nice and quiet in here. Literally, I drove 12 hours in this thing, no problem, no droniness on the freeway, no nothing. But when we're here, you have it in sport mode and you're ready to get on it. Woo! It sounds good.